We jump into our next concept, which is red flag, green flag. Can I just
Wow.
have the flag?
Flags
Wow.
are there.
I
Yes.
love this interview.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
Because it's the
Yeah,
best,
yeah,
because
it's
it's
the
so interactive.
It is.
Flag restaurant से है. मेरे आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट किसने किया पहले ये बताओ.
Tanmay!
गुड जॉब है.
Well
Good
done,
job,
yeah.
यार.
Very
क्या
good,
flag
तन्मय,
है?
तन्मय के लिए तालियां.
Neatly.
पकड़ो.
Very neatly is done. Okay.
इंसान रेड और ग्रीन दोनों से बना होता है.
हाँ, वो तो बात सही है. It's black, white and grey
कभी
also.
कभी
Yeah, okay, let's move to the game.
कभी कभी
हाँ.
that's true. ग्रीन फ्लैग बन के आप बाद में रेड बन जाते हो.
Oh, deep.
That's the biggest
Wow,
red
that
flag.
That's true.
You pretend to be a green flag, but you are a red flag.
That's bad.
Yeah,
art and
that's
craft किया
worse.
इसलिए.
That's the worst.
That's the
You
worst.
know the right things, you say the right things, and then
Yeah. You deceitfully
Yeah.
show your true
Yes.
colors.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
most people are like that.
No, no,
I
no.
know.
Be
No, no,
positive.
Be positive.
we are not like
Good.
that.
We are not like that.
No,
We
no,
are
I'm
good
saying
people.
दुनिया.
नहीं 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 दुनिया हम हैं.
दुनिया बहुत.
Okay.
दुनिया हमें.
हमसे ही दुनिया. हमसे ही दुनिया है.
ये मैरिज एडिशन है.
दुनियावी बातों
Oh,
में.
ये marriage edition है.
ये सिंगल एडिशन ये दुनिया सब दुनिया है दुनिया हमसे.
देखो हर तरीका के रिलेशनशिप में लोग यहाँ पे जा चुके हैं.
हाँ,
मैरिड
that's
जो है
true.
बाकी.
That's true. हर तरीके
was
के-
married,
हाँ,
we are
was
married, they are not married,
Single,
is-
yeah.
are married,
so हर तरीके के लोग यहाँ पे हैं.
never
Yeah,
married.
all
Yeah.
combos.
At least to our knowledge.
It will be very interesting to
see
the
Different
find
perspectives.
perspectives.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
go,
Go
let's
for it,
go.
go
We
for
are
it.
ready.
Okay.
आईना दिखाओ हमें.
Yes. Okay. What if your partner's mom comes first before you?
Means?
Comes first.
No.
If he puts
If
his
he
mother
puts his-
before
Prioritize.
Oh.
क्या आदमी है ये?
It comes first.
I think it's okay.
Okay,
I
clearly
think
I'm
it's
not
it
meant
you
to-
can't
what-
really take a
what-
call.
What is the question?
Comes first in the sense कि वो
मतलब
आपका
अगर
partner
वो
always
बंदा
Understood.
हाँ,
Says
There should
to
be
her,
balance
"Oh,
ना."
ठीक है, ठीक है,
I
ठीक
think
है,
that's
नहीं,
balance.
Should be a balance.
It has to be a balance.
balance. So what
Balance.
flag is this?
This is balance.
Balance flag.
क्योंकि गलत कोई भी हो सकता है.
हाँ.
Correct.
आपकी मम्मी भी हो सकती है, आपका पार्टनर भी हो सकता है. You have to be like objective about it.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
right.
ठीक है
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है
I agree.
But I love my mommy, so I'm just doing this.
मुझे लगता है मम्मा है
Fair.
बुजुर्ग है
Same,
अलग
same.
लाइफ में
Same,
उनका
same.
अलग एक फेज चल रहा है even if you put her first it's fine
It's fine,
ऐसे
yeah.
मत बोल, मेरी मम्मी को बुरा लग जाएगा. I think could be both. I am somewhere in between.
Both.
अगर इंटरव्यू देख लिया ना.
Yeah, I feel like you know what she said. I agree.
हाँ,
Not
सब
that
ग्रीन
wrong.
खड़े और आप रेड
Really
करके आए हो.
part of
मम्मा बहुत. Sorry मम्मा.
Yeah. very
You were saying Rakul?
Yeah, no, I say I agree to her to which is why I said कि ये बहुत ही situation dependent है.
Yeah,
yeah.
You know कि अगर आप बोल रहे हो हर बात पे गलत या सही, so I agree to Ayushman and her both.
सच का साथ.
सच का साथ.
सच का सामना.
Okay.
तो वो तो जब मम्मी आएगी तभी होगा
If
मम्मी देखेंगे.
your
का
partner
सामना.
still goes on solo trips
Oh yeah.
after marriage.
you must.
Yeah, you must. It's
Must,
very
you
important.
प्रॉब्लम है उसमें.
हाँ मतलब कुछ लोगों को होता है
जरूरी
कि
है।
बॉयज
Yeah,
ट्रिप
yeah.
कैसे जा रहे हो
नहीं,
बॉयज ट्रिप
नहीं,
कैसे
नहीं,
जा रहे हो
No, I think it's very
Solo.
important.
क्योंकि
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
कहाँ जा रहे हो
क्यों जा रहे हैं?
क्यों जा रहे हो
किसके साथ जा रहे हो?
सरप्राइज देंगे वहाँ पे.
कहाँ
जाके.
नहीं जाना
क्या
चाहिए
करोगे उधर
मैं नहीं खत्म करूंगी अगला sentence.
Okay, fine.
सर आपका आंसर
But
ग्रीन
Green.
please
All
जाइए.
of us. are
Please
saying-
जाओ.
जाइए
Please
Yeah.
जाना
जाइए.
बहुत जरूरी है.
अभी से निकल जाओ. दफा हो जाएगा.
वही जाओ यार
क्यों
ऐसे
नहीं जा रहे
करते
हो?
मैं निकलती हूँ मेरी सोलो ट्रिप है
Okay. If your partner defends you in front of friends and family.
Oh, that's very
That's a
good.
good
That's
thing.
very good. That's
Why
very
are the
good.
friends and family attacking
And
me?
you're
Is
in
another question.
That is
That's
the red
a
flag. कुछ दुनिया ऐसी है again sir.
No, I think that's a
Very
greenest
important
flag.
Greenest.
flag.
Yeah. Okay. If the partner needs constant validation even after you marry.
That's
them.
okay.
No.
okay.
Tricky one है
No,
ये वाला
I
थोड़ा.
think red flag.
I don't. What
I
kind?
think that's
No,
okay.
I don't like that.
No, red
हाँ,
flag.
Red?
same
Red?
Different.
Why?
I think constant validation. Everyone is too busy in their lives. You know, you're really doing your own thing. You can't constantly. Your partner cannot be so insecure that you have to constantly. And this is for girl or guy, right? That you have to constantly keep convincing them about the security of the relationship or keep giving them that comfort. Matlab, of course, there has to be an ease and comfort, but I'm saying if it's a disease, like your question was, if constantly requires validation, yeah, it's like it's a disease, it's a disorder. Arey, it is a disorder. It is
वो
a
बीमार
disorder.
है.
No, it is a disorder if you need
Baby, I want
constant
some
validation.
तुम बीमार हो.
Not a disease.
Yeah, sorry, it's a disorder that if you need like constant validation, I think that's a total
Like
red
बहुत
flag.
ज़्यादा insecurity.
Yeah,
But you all are
depends
okay
on
with
I
that.
think this thing that we are in public eye, we get constant validation every day.
Yeah.
रोज बोला looking so cute, looking
No,
so
that
nice,
is
looking so
true.
hot.
Yeah.
एक आम इंसान को वैलिडेशन नहीं मिलती.
I agree.
तो
I
अगर
actually
आपका
agree
पार्टनर
too.
इस इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है,
Correct.
दो ना वैलिडेशन. You look so beautiful
Exactly.
today.
No,
क्या
but that's
फर्क
not
पड़ता है?
validation.
That's such a nice
No,
That's
it is.
appreciation.
That's appreciation.
I know that, but I think
validation
we are
is-
used to validations.
Yes, he's
since
right.
childhood,
Yeah.
as in since initial years of a career, basically.
No, I think you're right. I
It's
take
just-
that back. I think Ayushman has convinced me. Yeah.
It's not a disease.
You're right. It's not a disease.
ये चूने से नहीं फैलती.
See, I'm the last man who has the authority to speak on it, but I feel कि दो लोगों के बीच में जब एक इंसान किसी को करोड़ों में से चुनता है, तो उसने दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा वैलिडेशन दे दिया.
I agree to that.
तो
ये बहुत
अब
बड़ा आर्गुमेंट हो रहा है यहाँ पे.
Yeah, this
हाँ,
is
मतलब
quite
हाँ,
debatable.
yeah, quite
दोनों सही लग रहे हैं मुझे.
I think to each
Quite
to its
different.
own.
What is your flag?
Yeah, green.
Green.
Green, green.
I think ठीक है.
ठीक है.
मतलब अगर ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है तो
Vams and
Why not?
Ayush are very understanding people.
Yeah, I've realized.
You know,
I'm-
Yeah,
they,
they
they don't have
No, I feel
very
the-
severe opinions about it.
no,
very, very
I-
calm, very.
No, but this is not, you know, it can really become like, I feel that if it's an everyday effort that you have to put in telling your partner,
मैं दे दूँगा.
मैं भी दे दूँ.
really,
Yeah, मैं भी दे दूँगा.
Wow.
मतलब personality की भी बात होती है.
हाँ, हाँ,
Sure,
correct,
of course.
I mean, each to their own.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can just
That's
agree
all.
to
Their own,
disagree.
yeah.
Correct, correct, correct.
Okay, tell me, if you don't get along with your partner's friends, is
no,
that
no,
okay?
no, not okay.
Is it bothersome?
Yeah, you have to get along with your
मतलब,
partner's friends.
So you're saying
हाँ,
if the
मैं-
partner
मेरे
doesn't
साथ
get
ना-
along
मेरे
with
साथ
your
ना
friends,
मिलो.
is that okay? But
No, you don't get along with your partner's friends.
But then how do I give?
We can't
her
chill
a-
together then. You can
Yeah, that's
chill on
it.
your own.
हाँ, that's what I want
That's
to know.
fine,
Would
that's
you
fine.
let your
Yeah.
partner कि हाँ आप कर
Yeah,
लो
yeah.
पर मुझे involve मत करो?
हाँ, हाँ.
Or would you say
हाँ,
change the
मुझे
friend?
No,
involve
no,
मत
no,
You can't say change
I
the
don't think
friend.
you have the
Yeah.
right.
You
No,
can't
don't
say
change the
change your
friends. Yeah?
friends.
Please don't change your friends.
Change
Nobody
your
should
group.
I
change
think
your
it's okay. Yeah, me too. I think
तो
it's
क्या
okay.
इसमें कौन सा flag देना है?
Green,
What's the
green.
question?
I think
As in, would you be okay
friends. Yeah. Is
that
she
your
green?
wife
friends
chills with people you don't like?
Yeah, absolutely.
As far as I'm not part of the
Yeah.
group.
Yeah, yeah.
तुम अपना करो.
अपना
Yeah.
करो मुझे
Yeah.
अपना
yeah,
करने
yeah,
दो.
yeah.
ठीक है, वो भी सही है. Okay, you all need to exchange passwords of phone or social media.
we?
Yeah. No, you and
No,
your partner,
exactly.
not y'all.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Do you think it's
I
necessary?
think it's not. It's your whatever. हर एक का
Yeah.
अपना रूल होता है. इसका कुछ red green नहीं
इसका
है.
कुछ red green
Yeah.
नहीं है, हाँ.
इसका-
आपका
red
rule is why
सबका red
red?
green नहीं.
First
I'll be
red
okay
flag
to.
होगा
I
आपका.
mean, I'll be okay to share if the need arises. अभी तक तो नहीं हुई है, तो it's
That's
fine.
good.
I think सबके ना कुछ खुद के एक सबकी एक अपनी लाइफ होती है एंड आपका फ़ोन बहुत एक पर्सनल चीज़ होती है एंड आई थिंक आप चाहे अपने पार्टनर की बात हुई है तो आप सब कुछ नहीं शेयर कर सकते हो. कुछ चीज़ें आप तक ही रहनी
I'm
चाहिए.
looking for Vamika's phone in the break. I want to see what's on the
हाँ मुझे लगता है कि ठीक है ज़रूर आप सब कुछ अब पता होना चाहिए ये वो.
मान लो किसी ने पूछ लिया कि
हाँ.
मुझे चेक करना है आपका फोन.
Then
हाँ,
that's a big
पूछेंगे कुछ ऐसे हैं
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
हाँ कर
That's a
लेंगे.
big
बात पता
problem.
है कि पूछना क्यों है?
हाँ then that
आपको
relationship
trust
is
करना
insecure. हाँ.
मान
वही
लो
तो
थोड़ा
बात आ गई ना फिर वहाँ पे.
ठीक, अगर इतनी बार नौबत आ गई तो
इतना convince क्यों
ले लो
कर
यार
रहे हैं?
पासवर्ड. क्या बोल रहे हैं अभी?
मुझे लगता है जितना मतलब अगर आप झिझकोगे दिखाने से तो भी प्रॉब्लम है और अगर आप पूछोगे तो भी प्रॉब्लम है. It's a lose-lose situation I feel
Yeah.
this one.
आपको
Yeah.
सरेंडर करना पड़ता है प्यार में. आप इतना नहीं ऐसे समझोगे तो फिर कुछ
हर
और ही
जगह
हो
वो
रहा
नहीं
है.
कर सकते कि यार
ये मेरा ये तेरा.
नहीं मेरा तेरा चलता है but
Either way.
yeah I think shadiness if it's there you can sense it and then it's no fun.
Yeah, I agree.
तो फ्लैग्स क्या हैं?
हाँ, मतलब आपके लिए रेड है.
यार मेरे लिए
भी red है.
ये पता क्या दो
mix,
इट्स नॉट अ
हाँ,
राइट
मेरे लिए भी mix है.
Yeah.
सारा सब
चाहिए
picking
तो
up.
देख लो,
No,
नहीं
I
चाहिए
mean
तो मत
I
देखो.
think that needing to show the phone is a red flag but if you don't show me your phone
That's also a red flag.
even more red flag.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Yeah, मतलब I should see the phone at least.
Yeah, 100%.
And I should have the right not to show the phone also.
Yeah,
That's
my,
why-
my neutrality arises from the fact that I don't want to see yours
Yeah.
and I don't want to
But
see
I
mine.
want to see
पिक्चर
but I
बनाई है
don't
इस
want
पे
to
इन्होंने
show.
यार
Yeah.
खेल में.
आपने पिक्चर बनाई है
पिक्चर
इस
बनाई
चीज़
है
पे.
मैंने इस चीज़ पे.
Actually.
रियली कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
But
मुझे
ये
नहीं
बहुत
लगता-
बड़ी
ना
problem
ना
है.
दिखाने की ना देखने की मुझे नहीं लगता. आपको बात कीजिए एक दूसरे से. क्या
I agree,
क्या
actually.
दिक्कत होगी?
Yeah, Sir's right.
Rakul said red. as
No,
well.
I'm
you mix.
saying I'm okay either ways. अभी तक तो जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. अगर पड़ेगी तो I'm okay with that also. मतलब I don't think there are anything to. I'd be okay.
Okay, if he expects or she expects कि आप एक दूसरे का location रखो एक दूसरे के पास all the time.
No, that is a
24/7.
red flag.
Honestly, I think the password is a bigger red flag than this. This is very important. I think it's
From
good.
security.
For
I know where
for
she's going with
security
it.
purposes,
Safety.
suddenly पहाड़ों में भग गई, किसी को पता होना चाहिए ना मैं कहाँ हूँ, कैसी
पर वो तो
हूँ.
बता के भी
Location
जाया
is
जाता
fine.
है.
शायद नहीं पता. लोकेशन
तो अगर आप
No, but
लोकेशन नहीं
it's
शेयर
a
करो तो आप
point.
तो फिर कुछ और ही पता नहीं कहाँ
No,
हो.
no,
Yeah.
no,
Red
no,
flag
no,
आ
no.
गया.
ये sorry. ये question जिस तरह से इन्होंने पूछा है.
Peer pressure मत कर, red flag रख अपने. It's okay.
नहीं उसका मतलब ये है कि I need to know where you are. Why have you not shared that
I think
obsessive
where you are
nature?
is better than what are you seeing, who are you talking to.
They're
I
both the
just
same.
think it's
They're
no-
both the
They're
same.
both the same.
They're
It's a
both the
trust
same.
issue.
आज तक कभी लोकेशन पूछा ही नहीं.
मतलब find my friends पे हो एक दूसरे
Same
के.
actually
हाँ,
मुझे भी
fine.
नहीं
That's fine.
बताना है कि यहाँ पे हूँ.
हाँ तुम्हें बता
हाँ,
दूँ.
that's
लोकेशन
enough.
शेयर करना is like
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
अगर
that's
वो
I
लोग
have
कर
taken-
दूंगा मैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
Exactly.
लोकेशन शेयर करो, बता दो कि यहाँ पे हूँ.
हाँ,
Exactly.
मतलब
Yeah.
I'll say personally for me, I'll be like मैं कहाँ बोलूँ कि मैं यहाँ हूँ, ये ले
Yeah.
रख ले. It's more of that.
I think
No,
it's
but
okay.
if it's coming from an
Ah,
obsessive nature,
Yeah.
that
is
I
red.
need to
Where is it
know,
coming
that's a
from?
red.
Correct,
Yeah.
If it's coming
Yeah.
from sense of security, then that's a
कि
green
आज क्यों
flag.
नहीं
We-
भेजा अगर मिस हो
हाँ,
गया.
that is
हाँ,
for
हाँ,
definitely
आज क्यों नहीं
a red
भेजा
flag.
is red
Yeah,
flag.
That's a
I
red
think we
flag.
just took it in a different way.
Yeah,
हाँ
yeah,
कर
yeah,
देंगे
yeah.
शेयर यार अगर मांगेगा.
Correct, of course. Yeah.
Sir,
नहीं मुझे लगता है हजारों करोड़ों साल से दुनिया बिना लोकेशन शेयर किए चल रही है.
That's true.
और
That's so
किसी
true.
को हाँ मतलब मेरे माँ बाप को तो कभी
इसलिए
ज़रूरत
single.
नहीं पड़ी एक दूसरे को पूछने की कि उनका लोकेशन कहाँ है. तो मुझे लगता है कि इसका कोई बेसिस पार्टनर के उसमें नहीं
नहीं
है
है.
और ना सिक्योरिटी का कोई ऐसा को मुझे खास लगता है इसलिए क्योंकि चल ही रही है दुनिया बिना लोकेशन शेयर किए.
okay, this one is a cute one. If your partner doesn't cuddle with you at night.
No, red.
I am a
At
cuddler.
night, मतलब-
I am a cuddler.
I am a
so,
cuddler
yeah.
also.
Yeah.
Aww.
So then if you don't want to cuddle, are you red? No, are they red?
You want to cuddle? Then green. Then you
If
have
your
to say
partner
red.
doesn't
Yeah.
cuddle,
You
then
want
Are
to
you a
cuddle?
cuddler or not?
I'm okay if I don't cuddle.
So then green.
So then
Oh,
green.
so green, yeah.
You want to cuddle?
It depends.
depends means
It
what?
depends on so many things.
Depends on the person.
Yeah.
Ideally, yeah, mainly.
Yeah, but
We're
like
talking about a partner that you like.
yeah,
Yeah.
let's
You're sleeping
hypothetically
You
imagine.
Yeah,
want to
but-
cuddle with that too.
So why do you cuddle?
कैसा है partner?
हाँ मतलब
No,
कैसा?
but cuddle doesn't
क्या
mean
मेरा
like,
मन भी कर रहा है
like
cuddle करने का कि नहीं?
I'm
You're
in
just
two
saying
minds.
pamper.
I
love
just
this
hold your
person,
hand.
Sarah.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Just a little finger.
Okay.
No, I like cuddles.
Okay, wants to spend
I like cuddles.
yeah,
Like it.
cute. Wants to spend a lot on a wedding. मतलब शादी के मतलब
On
धूमधाम.
whose
तो
wedding?
खर्च ले.
Who's wedding? खाने पे बुलाओगे हम आएंगे.
हाँ, खाना ग्रैंड हो, वेन्यू ग्रैंड
मतलब
हो.
उसकी अपनी
चादर के
शादी.
बाद
अपनी
जब तक पैर
शादी,
नहीं पहुंच
अपनी
रहे तब तक
शादी.
ठीक
हाँ, तो
है.
बहुत अच्छी बात है,
ये नहीं
खर्चो.
लोन लेके तुम वेडिंग बड़ी थ्रो कर रहे हो,
No,
ये सब
I
कुछ कर रहे
I
हो.
think she means if our partner wants to spend on our wedding, right? So
He
Yeah,
has the
yeah.
means, so be it.
Exactly. Yeah. As a means.
If he has the means, so be it.
Correct.
Okay.
we are not.
मुझे मत बोलना.
Doesn't
I wouldn't
seem like
spend
we are
a lot of
spending the
money on wedding. Like I would rather use that money
Intimate.
and go somewhere.
Intimate
Yeah.
wedding.
Okay. You what is your answer?
No, for me for sure. I'm not spending any money feeding other people. Feed myself for my wedding.
Again, each to their own. Okay, I'm going to give you 3. Now we're done with this segment.
Okay.
Yay.
Okay.
Can I just take
Can
it
we
home?
keep these?
Yes, you
घर
can.
ले आइए.
कोई बात करेगा somebody both of us.
You are a.
आज खाने में नमक कम है.
Okay.
I'm actually taking
Phone दिखाओ.
Pink Villa. Look no further.